Hey everyone, we're the world's okayest sourcing team here at Fusion Salad. I'm Coastline Kevin.
I'm Big Brother Brent.
I'm Aloha Eddie, and we're excited to bring you three amazing job opportunities, 3 minutes or less.
We'll be sharing three key things you need to know about each position.
Stay tuned to find out your next great career move with us.
So we have a power generation aircraft arresting system technician role. It's going to be located on Al Jaber Air Base in lovely Kuwait. Total compensation is going to be between 95,000 and 100,000 per year. And the three things you need to know about this role is, first off, you must have a BAC 12 certification. This role is going to be a full 12-month contract. And one of the benefits in this one is that the housing will be some off-base villas, which is completely paid for and covered by our client.
And the role I'm working today it's an advanced leadership program. It's in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and the compensation is anywhere from 80,000 to 110,000. Some things you need to know about this is that a bachelor's or master's degree in business management will really help you out. The company is going to train you in the ways of their business for their 18 to 24 months. And after that, the company is going to relocate you anywhere in the US. So you're going to have that flexibility to move with the company and to grow and groom into a leadership position. And experience in managing departments and profit and loss will really give you an edge in the position.
I've got a senior electronics printed circuit board repair technician. This job is located in Orlando, Florida, and is offering $25 to $27 per hour, plus full benefits and profit sharing after 1 year of successful employment with the employer. The work is performed in a bench repair environment. We want somebody with 10 plus years hands-on experience with diagnosing and repairing printed circuit boards all the way down to the component level. And this person needs to have either an electronics degree, some sort of technical schooling, or a combination of the training and the experience. It's going to make them a rock star in this position.